been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a simple winter glam makeup look. It is very, very easy. I paired it with a few different headbands just to let you guys see how comfortable and simple it is. It can go with literally anything. So, excuse my voice, I am a little under the weather, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, thank you for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. I have a lot of good stuff coming to you guys here soon. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah, I know what you want, you got it gorgeous. You bet you're talking, it's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me. Fighting the feeling, I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready. You say you're ready for it, you're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready, you want it for it. You've heard some things, people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air, I've made my mistakes, I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we've all got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely, with you it's different. You've been what I'm missing, real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how I'm feeling. Yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. Knowing that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know what's on your mind. please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah.
Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in more looks like this, more simple looks, or if you guys want me to bring something more complicated to the table. I mean, I'm not really picky. I love simple looks because who has time to be doing makeup all day, right? But anyways, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.
Somebody told me I should hit